Visualize your space in color with the DAVIES COLORSTUDIO app. Using the app is easy. On the app's project page, tap the Add button to create a new project. Tap the Add Photo button to upload an image from your library or to capture the right angle of the space you want to visualize. To create your own color palette, tap the fan deck icon. You can choose from the wide variety of ready-to-use colors from DAVIES paints or from the collection of more than 1,000 paint colors laid out from light to dark for fast and easy selection. You can also look for a specific shade by tapping the search button, typing in a color name, and choosing from the available shades. Need inspiration? You can use the app's suggested color harmonies. Save your chosen color palette. Now you're ready to compose. Drag and drop your chosen colors in the empty palettes using the Paint Bucket tool. DAVIES COLORSTUDIO equips you with easy-to-use tools to apply colors to your photos. Use the Line tool to mask and frame the areas. Use the Magic Wand tool to fill in large areas instantly. You can also use the Shading tool to manually fill the areas with your chosen color. You can always use the Eraser and Undo tools to fix and refine your image while coloring. Once you're done, don't forget to save the project and enter important details that you need for your project reference. Share your project with anyone. You can email your project by just clicking the Send by Email button. All your paint codes and swatches will be included when you send your project. You can also share your project on social media. Bring your paint codes to the nearest DAVIES Color Factory and get the exact paint colors in your project. Make your dream project a reality. Ready for the transformation? DAVIES COLORSTUDIO can help you express your creativity in your own space. Start your dream project today. Download the DAVIES COLORSTUDIO app